In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft OneDrive on Windows using the run command. This quick reset is a safe way to fix common syncing issues such as files getting stuck, the app not opening correctly, or the icon going missing from your system tray. It won't delete your files in the cloud, but it will restart the OneDrive app and refresh its connection to your account and folders. Start by opening the Windows search. You can do this by clicking the search bar on your taskbar or by opening the Start menu and using the search there. In the search box, type Run and then open the Run app when it appears in the results. This tiny utility lets you run commands directly, which is exactly what we need for a proper OneDrive reset. In the Run window, carefully type the following command exactly as you hear it. cpl program files from Microsoft OneDrive plus OneDrive.exe/reset. Make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning and that the slash before reset is included. Avoid using smart quotes or any quotation marks at all, just the plain path followed by a space and then reset. Typing it precisely is important because any small typo will stop the reset from working. Once the command is entered, press enter. You won't see a big confirmation window, and that's normal. What typically happens is that the OneDrive icon will disappear from the system tray for a moment as the app closes and begins its reset. This part may take a little time, so be patient and let it load. Try not to open OneDrive manually while it's working. Now wait for it to reset completely. The OneDrive cloud icon should reappear on its own and the app will relaunch and start reconnecting to your files. Depending on how many files you sync and your internet speed, this can take several minutes. During this period, you might see status messages like signing in, preparing to sync, or processing changes. That's a good sign that the reset is doing its job. When the reset finishes, you should notice that syncing resumes and any previous glitches are gone. Give it a little time to catch up if you have a large library. If you were in the middle of editing files, leave the app running so it can update everything properly. And that's it. By using Windows Search to open Run, entering the reset command, pressing enter, and waiting for it to complete, you've given OneDrive a clean restart.